This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a toilet the only way. First, gather your essential cleaning supplies. You'll need rubber gloves, a sturdy toilet brush, and a reliable toilet bowl cleaner. Make sure to open a window or turn on an exhaust fan to ensure good ventilation. This helps with fumes and keeps the air fresh. Finally, clear any items from around the toilet base to give yourself ample space to work efficiently and thoroughly. Now, let's tackle the bowl itself. Apply your chosen toilet bowl cleaner generously under the rim, allowing it to coat the entire inside surface. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the cleaner time to break down grime. Then, using your toilet brush, scrub the entire inside of the bowl vigorously. Focus on the water line and any areas with mineral deposits or discoloration to ensure a sparkling finish. Next, we move to the exterior. Spray a disinfectant cleaner onto a clean cloth and wipe down the toilet seat, both top and bottom, and the lid. Don't forget the outside of the bowl, the tank, and the flush handle. Extend your cleaning to the base of the toilet and the floor immediately surrounding it. For those tricky spots and crevices, a small detail brush or an old toothbrush can be incredibly effective, ensuring no area is missed. To finish, flush the toilet several times to thoroughly rinse away all the cleaner and any loosened debris. Give the bowl one final check for any missed spots. For an extra touch, use a clean, dry cloth to polish any chrome fixtures, like the flush handle, leaving them sparkling and streak-free. Remember, a truly clean bathroom feels great. Also, check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.